Happy Squad, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year, happy 2025. Welcome to the new year, and I'm gonna be opening the year for you with an amazing recipe. So here is an interesting recipe that I've dropped for you guys. I know I have slept on the job when it comes to cooking videos, but here we are back with a bang. So as you've read from the title, we're gonna be making Cardamom Mandazi. So make sure you stick around, don't skip, don't go anywhere. Make sure you just watch till the end. So a preview of my ingredients: I'll be having cooking flour, I'll be having cooking oil, I'll be having cardamom itself, I'll be having some lemon zest, I'll be having some milk, I'll be having eggs, and also I'll be having margarine. So this is where I'm gonna do everything, so stick around. So I'm sure most of you are shocked why I am cooking such an ambiguous amount of flour, but let me be precise. This was an order from a client. Yes, you heard me right. Before you even get to start cooking, just make sure in everything that you do it best the way you can, because you never know who's watching. So ever since I dropped my lemon zest recipe, close people have been like, "Oh, we want you Mandazi, we want you to cook for me Mandazi." So this is a client's order, and I really feel so nice about myself. So she wanted 4 kg, so I'll be cooking today 4 kg flour of cooking flour. So as you're going to be pouring in your flour, don't pour all of it. Leave aside maybe like 300 grams of flour, just in case the ingredients don't maybe balance at the end, or maybe for rolling and stuff. So don't pour everything. So first I've gone in with cardamom, of which cardamom, for every 1 kg of flour, put 1 teaspoon of cardamom. Yes, I hope you are following up. So if you have 4 kg, put 4 teaspoons of cardamom, or Iliki in Swahili. Cardamom is Iliki in Swahili. Then next in, I've gone in with sugar, and apple kwa sugar, you just have to decide. If you love it sweet, you can put more. If you like it just there in the middle, it's up to you to decide. So yeah, for me, I love sweet. My client was like, you just do your magic. So for me, I put in sugar the way I like it, or how I prefer it. So I always start with the dry ingredients first, then I've added in the lemon zest. As always in any recipe of mine, you can never miss to find a lemon zest. You can also use orange zest. Actually, I'll be dropping a recipe with using orange zest, so that you can be able to see the sweet orange, not this the other orange. Next thing, I've added in some eggs. Please make sure eggs is not optional, because it usually makes your mandazi is very soft. Then you will also go in with some warm milk, then some margarine, and then now you're gonna just give it a thorough mix. You make sure you knead it completely, very nicely and thoroughly as you taste. Yeah, in case you feel the sugar is not enough, you can add. For me, I usually love using this the all-purpose flour. Okay, if you are a beginner and you're gonna freak out, oh, maybe I'll put little baking powder or a lot, so just buy the self-raising one, which is usually purple in color. But for me, I love to start from scratch. Yes, me, I'm just a down-to-earth person. I don't like shortcuts. But if you are a beginner, I would advise you to use the self-raising flour. It's usually purple. So here is our dough, looking all any you guys, the way it is smelling so nice. I just felt like eating it like this. It was very soft, and it was very yummy. So let's get into the process. I just love the sound of that. The sound of cooking oil just makes me wow. Anyway, so for my daisy, as soon as they start turning pale, it's time to now wash out. Don't let them turn brown completely. So yeah, I'll just keep doing that as you cook. Are you guys ready? So in 3, 2, 1, here goes our beautiful mandazi. Here is our final product. Do you like what you see? Yes. So for me, my signature shape is usually the oval ones that you see over here. But I just decided to be creative and did some triangular as well. But for me, I love doing oval shapes. So in case you'll want to book Mandazi with me, or like for me to come cook for you, as little as it seems, just hit me up on the number that I'll be leaving here on the screen, and make sure you don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share.